what happened to your arms? What happened to your obliques? Like, I had nothing. So again, like you said, having to know what you should eat, what are healthy forms of plant protein, what are healthy forms of complex carbs, what are healthy forms of oils or fats, are macronutrients. People don't realize, like, nuts and kale or collard greens and things of that sort have more protein in it than actual meat has. So just know.
And one thing that people, if I could just say one thing.
Yeah, sure.
So coming at the veganism from the social justice perspective, it seems to me, is my opinion, but the standard American diet, all these things are a product of white supremacy. So as you go harder vegan, as you read, like, what's the one by T. Colin Campbell, the China Study, right? You start to realize that when colonization happened, the dietary preferences of one culture was spread across the planet to people who didn't need it, didn't want it, and things weren't supposed to be there. And that caused a lot of complications. As you go vegan and you start to figure out, where do I get my protein? Protein doesn't have to be just a slab